What's going on, everyone? Today is the 19th of June 2023. Here to talk about Polygon today, and hopefully I can possibly pull something positive out of this price chart for Polygon, because this chart is completely bearish. Now, we did a video in Polygon on the 16th of June, and we didn't do a price prediction because we wanted to get more confirmation in the market for Polygon to see whether or not the buyers are going to continue to show up. And so far, they've done a pretty good job of holding price, but it doesn't mean that price is about to go higher. So that may be the only thing I can give you that's positive in a sense of how Polygon has been trading. It's just been trading, and as it's been trading, the buyers has been maintaining price. That's a good thing. Let's take a look at Polygon real quick on the 2-day chart. And you guys can tell that right here on this 2-day price bar, yes, sellers came into the market, but you can see it that on this 2-day price bar, it was able to close higher than the previous 2 days. Look at this. This is telling you that buyers are coming in, accumulating Polygon right now. And if they're doing it, they're not doing it just because they like to buy Polygon. No, they're doing it because they're looking for the market to go higher off of this 2-day price bar. So we're combining all of the price action that has happened since Polygon has came to this level. This is what we're recognizing. So it is a current ongoing process that we can tell buyers in the market in Polygon are currently trying to hold price. Like I said, it's a good thing. Here's Polygon on the 3. Here it is on the 3-day chart. This is a probable precursor of strength, meaning that on this current 3-day price bar, we want to see the market in Polygon close higher than it, because then that will confirm that buyers came in on that 3 days. Okay. Here's Polygon on the 5-day chart. We have 9 hours left, and you want to look at the volume. Okay, look at the volume on this 5-day price bar versus the previous one, and then pay attention to the spread of those 2 5 days. Why is this spread so much smaller? But the volume is heavier. It's decent in how the ratio of this price spread bar looks. It's different. Buyers are coming in, that's why. Okay. So now, think about this though. We can see and recognize buyers attempting, okay? They're attempting to hold price in Polygon right now. When we look at the time on 2 weeks, take a look at this price chart. This price bar right there is giving us an indicator of weakness. You see that? Yes. It's giving you a heads up that even though you may be seeing buyers in the market in Polygon on the daily time frame, pay attention to the weekly, because this 2-weekly price bar is letting you know that there's still weakness in the market. Take a look at Polygon here on the 3 weeks. Again, charts don't lie. So depending on your time horizon is how you need to view the market. If you're looking for the market in Polygon MATIC over the next 2 to 3 weeks, you need to understand that this market is weak. If you're trying to play and hold Polygon MATIC for a couple of days and you may see strength on the chart, then you don't want to hold it too much longer after a couple of days. You have to consider all of this information as you come through the cryptocurrency space. The conclusion of this trading week, again, another weekly bar of weakness. What are you supposed to do when you see these things? Is you're supposed to take notice and act accordingly. Do you think Polygon is going to continue to go lower, or do you think that the buyers are going to hold this 52-cent level? Long term, I don't think that they're going to hold it. I think that price in Polygon may come down to the low of this monthly price bar in June 2022. Okay. So now, let me do this real quick, and we'll look at this on the hourly chart real quick, because you can see here on the 15-hour chart that the market isn't doing anything but trading. But take a look at this though. Has the market in Polygon on this 15-hour price chart, has it been making higher lows? Right? Let's take a look. Here's a low, here's a low, and here's another one. Oh, Yes, it has been. Okay, cool. So maybe the market in Polygon may actually go higher, right? You may be thinking. But take a look at this. The market in Polygon has also been making lower highs. One of these areas is going to break. Okay. And considering that the overall weight of the market in Polygon has been down, then it tells me that it has an easier job to go lower. The buyers has a heavier responsibility to try to lift this market up. They attempted to it. They're still doing it, trying to lift this market up in Polygon. So we're going to look at this on a 330-minute chart. You have weakness there. Okay. These are individuals who is selling their Polygon in the market. Here's another indicator of weakness there. You don't see any strength on this 330-minute chart. Another indicator of weakness there. And then we have another indicator of weakness there. All of this is pushing down on Polygon's price. The buyers are trying to lift it and keep it from falling further. That is why you can see on this high volume bar there that the market held and bought whoever was selling on these other fake price bars. They came in here. And then the buyers came in again there because the volume is confirming that this is what is occurring. And then they do have the ability to move the market higher, but it's not that long before you see another bar trying to push down MATIC. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue to look for price in Polygon to go lower. Okay. Now, is there a chance that we can see the market go higher? Yes, because I wanted to show you these things on multiple time frame, but the possibility of seeing MATIC go higher, it is seen on a shorter time frame. The weakness is seen on a longer term, and this is how we're going to play this price prediction is on the longer term. Okay, so let me put this on the chart and we'll be through. As long as Polygon's price trades below 73.74 cents, we are going to look for the market to have a greater chance to go lower in price. And now we're going to go ahead and drop some targets for Polygon. First one obviously is the low that came in on June the 10th. Okay, that's where we're going to do it at. Go ahead and fix this real quick. Okay, so now bring this in a little bit closer. So now, first target, it may actually be on the lows of these daily price bars, the 15th and the 16th, but we'll do it around 51 cents. Okay, that's 14.89% market move to the downside. That's our first target, and let's do a second target, which is going to be around 45 cents. Okay, that's it. I'm done. You're up now. Go ahead and drop a real quick comment as to what you think the price in Polygon is going to do in the long term, i.e. weekly time frame. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.